Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at the different DC heroes, villains, and pets from the book entitled Superheroes and Pets Papercraft, as published by Little Brown and Company 2016. This book has cardboard cutouts of DC characters that you fold into cardboard action figures. Let's look at the DC characters one by one. Batman, Aquaman, is the Bat Dog. Batgirl, Commissioner Gordon, Commissioner Gordon's pet aardvark, Gumshoe, Harley Quinn, Joker, Joker's pet Giggles, Catwoman, Catwoman's cat Rozz, Bane, Bane's pet bear Osito, Aquaman, Black Manta, Zatanna the Magician, Zatanna's pet rabbit Tibor, Aquaman's pet Storm, The Flash, put Flash here, fix them all up, fix Gumshoe, the Flash's pet Whatzit the turtle, Vixen, Green Arrow, Black Canary, Martian Manhunter, Katana, fix them all up, Black Canary, there we go, Green Lantern, Green Lantern's enemy cat Dex-Starr, Cyborg, back it up a bit, just a bit, make space, Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman's pet kangaroo Jumpa, Wonder Woman's rival Cheetah, Shazam or Captain Marvel, Captain Marvel's pet rabbit, Hoppy, the Marvel Bunny. Black Adam. Superman. Supergirl. Put them all up. Fix them up. Fix Jumpa. Fix Supergirl. Streaky the Super Cat. Krypto. Lois Lane. Luthor. Bizarro. Bizarro's pet, Bizarro Krypto. Luthor's pet, Ignatius. And finally, Solomon Grundy. So that's a look at the different DC heroes, villains, and pets from Superheroes and Pets Papercraft, as published by Little Brown and Company 2016. Thank you so much for watching.